Well, boy, howdy do. I am back, and I have a thing in my hair that I tried to get out, and I did not. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for my Princess Daisy from the Mario series. She's probably my favorite character that I do. I love her a lot. This makeup didn't turn out like it normally does. My brows were just a little weird. Speaking of brows, let's take those off. Yes, I shaved off my brows. Yes, it was entirely for cosplay purposes. No, I don't regret it. So I'm going to take out my contacts. These are Sweetie Anime Turquoise, and I'm just going to put those in. Now I'm going to start with my foundation, and I'm just going to put that on a damp, not wet, just damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend that all into my skin. Now taking some liquid concealer, I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my forehead, and all my problem areas really, just to brighten them up. Now taking the Fenty Beauty powder in lavender, I'm going to put that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set my entire face. Taking the Bobbi Brown bronzer in medium, I'm going to put that on a small contour brush, and I'm going to very gently bring out my features. Like I've said before, you always want to contour when you're wearing a wig, but since Daisy's a very young and childlike character, I don't do a lot for her. Then taking the MAC blush in Apple Red, I start putting that all over the entirety of my cheek and nose area. I really like to give her this childlike glow and fun, and she gets a lot of blush just because it makes you really cutesy. Now taking an orange that is wildly the wrong color, I'm going to start filling in my brows. Now this is way too orange for my wig, and you'll see that later when I put my wig on. I would recommend going for more of a brown, like you'll see in my photos later. This is entirely the wrong color for the brows, but it is going to be the same color that I sweep over my crease, under my eye, and blend out, and that's actually the only color I use for her entire eye makeup. Now to highlight, I take this rose gold champagne-y color by Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to put that all on the high points of my face, giving a little extra, again, to make my face look a little fuller, more childlike. Then get distracted because your dog comes in and you love him. I also put on freckles, but I forgot to film that, so here's my dog. Then I'm just taking the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I'm going to draw on a standard wing. I'm now taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to darken up my lashes in order to put on my fake lashes over them. I'm now taking this gloss from ColourPop that has a orange undertone, and I'm going to cover my entire lips in that, and I'm going to connect my Cupid's bow at the top. Daisy, and in fact none of the Nintendo princesses or the Mario princess have a Cupid's bow, so that's why I do that. Then I'm putting on some glitter onto my cheeks, and that is all, that is it. Now you can see now that I have my wig on that those brows are way too orange. I do like how thick they are, that's normally the thickness I do them. However, if you're using a similar color wig to mine, I usually do a darker, more brown brow. I'm not sure why I didn't do that this time. But anyway, that's how I do my Daisy makeup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you soon.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What?